lads. Good morning, boys. It's about 7:30. Still, it's pretty much dark, but it's a good day because we're finally getting the clutch fitted. So it's at AMD, so we're gonna go down to AMD now. We're gonna drive down there now. We're gonna start at 8:30 and hopefully be done by around 5. So I've got to join Preston at 8:30. Yeah, that's confusing, but it makes sense. Not as cold as I thought. Hope I've got enough time to grab a sandwich on the way, but let's get there. Right, we've got some drinks and some chocolate bars for everybody. It's gonna be a long day. Just moving all the whips out. Look at that, man, it's insane, that thing. This EVO's like $700. Oh, I think that's us. I think that's our key to go in. Are we in? Back it in. I think one of my wheel bearings is going. It's like a 1, but very slightly. And I think it's coming from this one here. Oh. Why? What else would that be? Oh, I don't think it sounds like that. I don't know. Let's hope it's a wheel bearing. Is a clutch the hardest job to do on an EVO? No, not right. What's the hardest thing? I'm intrigued. Hardest, like, general maintenance thing?
Change your oil pressure switch on that.
Yeah. What this does? Sounds like what, air freshener? Hang on, I'm not going to spray it. Fucking hell, it does. That's nice, isn't it? What do you think, it's going to be good or black?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, it's not right.
I've serviced it before, but they put a magnet in there so you can look for any swarf out your box.
And was there not any in there? No. Oh, awesome. So is that a transfer box?
Yeah. No, you don't want to change stainless steel, but still stainless steel.
Can't wait just to get the purple Exedy there, guys. Get loads of Instagram pictures. Can't wait.
This side.
Oh, this side. Where is the pressure plate? Oh, is it there? Oh, I was wondering that. Okay. Oh, we got some good lighting there as well. It's gonna be sick. So what have you got to go up the ladder for? So undo that engine mount? Yeah. We're getting on good time, aren't we, really? Oh, fucking hell, falling over here. So have you got to like pry it away from the?
No, come on. Look.
Oh, will it? From its own?
Come away,
I can just see it's fucking going.
It's hard to get out, never mind the falling off.
Why is it not falling off? Look at that.
On a week at gym. Yeah. There we go. Oh. Right, there it is. There she is. Oh, I'll treat you how it is. I'm intrigued to see how it is. Look at the new clutch plates, fucking gorgeous. Ugh.
And it's not Exedy.
Is it?
Yeah,
Mad? Look how pretty it is. Oh. Right, I'll get these first. Are we on? Can I like go with you? Clever these little things, aren't they?
Yeah, they're
Little vacuum things.
right.
I've done it a few times without one of them, and it's not very fun.
25 of them here.
20 what?
Said you have to have 25 of them here. They don't look for long.
Oh, didn't it? I'm used to a little hose piping just underneath the car. I'm just making sure I'm a bit higher than it, pouring it in. It's never a fun job. Let's have a look at the old clutch. This is the old clutch. So it's like, see the rivets? So if it's flat with the rivets, it basically means it's done. So you'll see them rivets are usually like indented. Look, there's actually one rivet that's actually been pressed against a flywheel, see that? That one rivet has actually been like pressing against a flywheel, so that clutch is literally fucked. But we already knew that. We already knew it. Of course we're having issues with this pipe. I'm just trying to lengthen the like the battery block thing. It's just a piss take. Good news though, we're nearly done. Oh, gives me nightmares, this pipe and this pipe. Fucking hate them both, bastards. Right, we're on. one in gear? Yeah. Pardon? Have you not? Pardon? Alright. Is it still doing it? Feels grabby though, feels really nice. Yeah, it's stopped doing it now. I can't hear it in here. Is that normal noise going?
The chatter, yeah?
Yes, that's...
Like if you hold them in now, you should hear them rattling. One side could have been captured or anything.
So it wasn't actually when he was pressing the clutch, it was just when he was... It was just when he turned the engine on, and he's found that the ABS pump wasn't plugged in properly, so he thinks it might have just been that. It's good.
Just knock it off and we'll get it after that.
It's good. Oh,
Yeah,
it's good.
I've paint all bolts so I can see if anything's moved.
Right. So it seems all good?
I'll let you have paint put up.
Yeah, I wonder what you were doing there.
It's just so I can, like, say you say in 50 miles it's making a funny sound. I can have a look through that hole and see if the paint marks move.
Oh, can you see more through there?
Through this little expansion little line. That plastic comes.
Oh, you put that there.
Yeah, so you can have a look through it.
Right, I'm going to drive it off the ramp, listen to it when I put the clutch in. You probably can't hear that, but it's chattering like mad. Oh, look how notchy it is. Oh, bloody hell, that grips. Jesus. Jesus Christ. I've been so close, I've literally been getting used to driving it right at the top. Pardon? Fucking hell, Dan. I'm going to kill someone. Oh my god. Dead notching gears as well. Yeah.
Run them in. They'll loosen up once it gets a bit of wear on it.
That is f***ing stiff. Oh my god. I can bet. Pardon?
You think so?
This one is. This is. I'm gonna have to just get used to that. It's not that bad, but.
I'd be used to it.
Jesus Christ. Are you getting it or am I just going for it?
Yeah, just nip up road and back in and then we can check it again.
It's a workout, this. Right, I'm gonna go for a quick drive, lads. I'm not gonna put the camera on. It feels good though. It feels. I'd rather it be really stiff than I know I've spent. So it's a nice spending money on a field. Do you know what I mean? It's gonna be nice when people going try and drive that, mate. Right, let's go for a quick spin down. I'm gonna put the camera down. That's stiff. Jesus Christ! Every time I change gear, I'm like.
It feels normal, like, that's what they're like.
Does it? Fuck it, it's stiff that, isn't it? Can't wait to be at Cal Meets and be like, go on, see if you can drive that.
ACT paddle clutch.
Would have been fine.
It's like, a second you like it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, they're worse than this?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
That's like quite smooth, that.
Bloody hell, fuck. That's good, that though. I'm kind of glad that it's that.
It's quite the weight of the clutch, they're heavier. You know, they're doing it all.
Oh, it's sick. Sick. I'm gonna have to get used to changing gears, or I was like snapping my neck then. Right, so we're back home. My god, is that clutch hard to get used to. It is so grippy. So grippy. Considering mine has been on the edge of not working. It's so weird trying to get that transition from even just from there to a normal clutch. But when I'm putting a twin plate in it, oh my god. But the reason I went with that one is because now, no matter what I want to do to the car, that clutch will be able to handle it. I'll never ever have to change the clutch ever again now. That was the issue. I mean, I didn't really know which one I wanted to go with, but I could have put a standard clutch in. Well, the standard clutch wouldn't have been good for my power anyway, but I could have put like a mid-range one, like a ACT clutch in or something like that, and that might have been good for the next 6 months, maybe, until I started pushing up past the 400 mark, and then I wouldn't have to change it again. So I just thought,
what we're going to do is I'm just going to buy the best one you can get from EVO, pretty much the best one you get, which is an Exedy twin plate. Now, I know you're all wondering how much did I pay for this clutch. These clutch retail at £1,300 for this clutch. Now I managed to do away where what I did was I actually found a second-hand pressure plate and flywheel off an Exedy twin plate, because Dan was saying to me that a lot of people, once the clutches is gone, they think the whole kit's in the chuckable in the bin, but Dan's saying it's not. He was saying so you can pick up the kits are really cheap. So all I did was I bought a second-hand clip for 180 quid, and that gives me the pressure plate and the flywheel and the middle plate. And then I actually had to buy the two clutches, brand new from Rossport, and they were around about 230 quid each. And then I had to buy release bearing as well. So I paid around about 500 for the parts. So I paid around about £700 for that kit that I've got in the car now, which is basically second-hand pressure plate and brand new clutches. 700 quid is a lot better than 1300, but Dan was saying if you do that the way I've done it, you've pretty much just got a brand new Exedy twin plate. He said it's absolutely fine. So yeah, a lot of money, but at the end of the day, it's something that I'm not going to need to look back on because I'm never going to have to change it again.